Hi guys, how are you? You are watching the wooden crafts, different cartoon. You are watching the bottle cork paint with mushroom. You are watching the wood uh, converting with the vehicle. You are watching a wood piece painted on cats, two cats. You are watching the two log piece of the wood paint in cartoon. You are watching the cart, flower cart making. You are watching the stairs, wooden stairs decorated. You are watching three wall hanging made with the wood. You are watching three cartoon different colorful hanging. You are watching a tree. mm, you are watching the three wood piece, uh, small decoration piece on for table. You are watching a tree decorating with the butterflies. You are watching wood pieces converting with the pencil shape. You are watching a tree, cutted tree converting in the heart shape. You are watching a tree decorating a door and different. You are watching a wood piece uh, different. You are watching two couple of the cartoons. uh, you are watching two shoes, old shoes paint and decoration. uh, you are watching three mm, lights. You are watching the woodcraft flower making with the woods. You are watching a piece of tree, cutted tree decorating. You are watching uh, three pieces of wood. You are watching three pieces of wood decorating with flowers and jute. You are watching three wood pieces decorating. You are watching the uh, tricycle decorating with a flower. You are watching the wood piece hanged, and you are watching some woodcraft wall clock. You are watching a wood piece paint with the cartoon and flowers. You are watching mm, wood seat on two cartoon character. You are watching a cartoon character made with the wood relaxing on the chair.